the actual pipe before used to come up from that location. It was going up there on the surface, so we had to cut it and make it within the wall without touching the pipes with a thermopump. Any other things, so every single little detail is important in this particular installation, so we'll have no complication any further once everything is done properly. So now we're going downstairs to do that modification. Right over there, small drop there, white pipe on the bottom. That's a finished product. That's what it looks from outside. So this is the inside of actual piping, and then we have a beautiful faceplate by Cyclovac LaSalle.